Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video, we're going to solve NCERT Maths Class 7 Chapter 1 Integers Exercise 1.3 question number 1. So friends, without wasting any time, let's get started. This one is find each of the following products. Now, again, some questions are given. We have to multiply and find their products, right? So what is and how do we multiply negative integers and positive integers, right? Suppose I have a negative integer here, minus 2 into 3. This you see, so whenever you see we have one negative integer, what we do is 3 into 2, basically we multiply the numbers. Okay, we forget about the sign for a second. You multiply the numbers and write the answer, that is the product you get, alright, in positive form. Alright, now you write the sign. So if you can see both of our numbers have different signs, so one is having plus here and one is having minus, right? So then what we do is we put a minus sign here, so this becomes minus 6. Alright, suppose I take another example, 3 into 3. This is quite simple. Both of the numbers have same signs, so we multiply them. This is 9 and put the sign basically both of them have, right? So here both of them are having, both of the threes I have plus signs, so there is just simply write 9. Now if we have negative integers, suppose let us say if I take minus 3 into minus 2, now what are we supposed to do? So in this case also, first thing we do is just multiply our numbers. So 3 into 2 is 6. Just simply write 6 without any sign. Now you can see that both of our numbers are negative integers. When they are negative integer, what we do is we write a plus here, plus sign. Alright, plus 6. This becomes our answer, plus 6. So whenever both of our numbers are negative, if we have two negative integers, we take plus as our sign. Now if we have three negative integers, suppose I take another one, minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. Again if I say this, alright, now what are we going to do? See, first of all we again first multiply all the threes, right? We always do that, and write the number without any sign. So 3 into 3 is 9 and 9 into 3 is 27. Now we come to the part of putting a sign. Now which sign shall we put? So you can see, if you can see a negative integer, that is minus 3 here, this is being multiplied an odd number of times. Odd number means number which is not divisible by 2. So what product will we get? See, 3 into 3 is minus 3, okay, and we put the minus sign here. We put the minus sign. So whenever it is being multiplied odd number of times, which sign is put? A minus sign is always put. So minus 27. And when it is multiplied even number of times, then we put a plus sign. Like this one, you can see a negative integer minus 3 is being two negative integers basically. So we put a plus sign. Here three negative integers are being multiplied, so we put a minus sign. Alright, now let us move on to solve the questions. Now you see we have in the A part 3 into minus 1, right? Now you can see in this also, if I open the bracket, this becomes 3 into minus 1. Now you can see that our numbers have different signs. So when they have different sign, plus and minus, we write with sign, minus sign. So minus and multiply the numbers, so 3 minus 3, this becomes our answer. This is minus 3. Alright, let's move on to the next part. Now we have minus 1 in the brackets into 225. Alright, now again if I open this thing, so minus 1 into 225 will be minus 225. And why minus? Because again two of my numbers have different signs, plus and minus. So in this case we always put a minus sign. No matter which number is greater, you put a minus sign only. Alright, let us move on to the next part. Now on to the C part, and this is minus 21 into minus 30. So we open these brackets, so minus 21 into minus 30 it is and again you can see both of them have minus sign, which is same signs. So same signs means a plus sign we put, or simply you can write it without it, it is considered plus only. Now you see 21 into 30, so 21 into 0 will be 0, and 21 into 3, that is 1 3 is 3 6 63. All right, so this becomes our answer 63, answer of the C part. Let us move on to the next one. Next we move on to the D part, and this is in brackets minus 316 into in brackets minus 1. This is again we open the brackets up first of all, so we get minus 316 into minus 1, right? This is what we are going to get. Now 316 will be multiplied by this, so 316, and both of these terms numbers have the same sign. So when they have the same sign, what sign we put? A plus sign. So you can simply leave it like this. Alright, so 316 is the answer of the T part. Let us move on to the next one. Now next we have the E part. This is in brackets minus 15 into 0 into minus 18. Alright, this is what we have. Now you can see in this also, if I open the brackets, so we have minus 15 into 0 into minus 18. Alright, now you see here, if we have a 0 here, whenever we have a 0 in a sentence, multiplication 1, so what we simply write, our answer becomes 0. Nothing changes, no plus, no minus, just simple 0 becomes our answer. Right, even if you see practically minus 15 into 0 will be 0, 0 into minus 18, that also 0, so just 0 it becomes our answer. Let's move on to the next part. Now moving on to the F part, and it is minus 12 into minus 11 into 10 in brackets. Now open these brackets, so minus 12 into minus 11 into 10. This is our final one, right? Now we multiply them. So first of all, you can see the which sign will we put here, right? So first you can see that minus 11 and minus 12 and minus 11 are two positive integers, so we solve them for negative integers, so we can solve any of them first. It is totally up to you. So 12 into 11 will be 2 and 1 carried over, so 132. And which sign will we put? A plus sign. So just leave it like this. 132 we get by solving these negative integers, minus 12 and minus 11, we multiply them. Then 132 into 10, so this is 1320. Alright, and it is our answer. Let's move on to the next part. Now we have the G part, and it is 9 into in brackets minus 3 into minus 6. Alright, now we solve this thing as well. So first of all, 9 into minus 3 into minus 6. Alright, this becomes the question now. This we solve, so 9 into 6 into 3 is 18, so 18, and since both of them have minus signs, we don't put any sign, just plus simply, so just leave it like that. Now 9 into 18, so what will it be? 162, and it is our answer. Alright, let us move on to the next part. Now next part is the H part, and it is minus 18 into minus 5 into minus 4. This is it. So this we solve again, so minus 18 into minus 5 and into minus 4. This, so you see minus 18 into minus 5 into minus 4, right? So let us first of all solve these two. So 18 into 5 is going to be 90. Alright, and both of them have the same signs, so just just leave this number like this, plus sign it is indicating. Now 90 into minus 4, right? This will be 90 into 4 is 360, because 9 into 4 is 36, and this 0 will be as it is. Now minus and plus becomes what? Minus, right? So you put the minus sign here. This becomes our answer, that is minus 360. Let's move on to the next part. Now we have minus 1 in the I part, it is minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 3 into 4. Alright, this we solve once again. So it becomes, again we open the brackets first up. So this is minus 3 into 4. Right, this it becomes now minus 2 into minus 3 will be again 2. So this we write it here. So this becomes 2 into, and again both of them have minus sign, so we put the plus sign here. Now 2 into minus 3 into 4. So 2 into minus 3 will be minus 6, because 2 into 3 is 6, plus minus minus, and then into 4 once again. This becomes 24, and once again a minus sign here, because 6 into 4 24, minus plus minus. So this becomes our answer, minus 24. Now we have the next one is the J part, and it is minus 3 into minus 6, okay, in brackets only, and into in brackets minus 2 into minus 1. Now again we see this, open it up, minus 3 into minus 6 into minus 2 into minus 1. All the terms here are negative, so either you can solve them one by one, it is up to you. For putting the signs, you can see that when all the terms are negative, and how many times are we multiplying this, right? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 times we are multiplying the negative numbers here. Okay, now this negative numbers are getting multiplied 4 times. So 4 times is even times, and when it is even number of times, what is it? Plus or minus? It is a plus sign. So first of all we multiply the numbers. So 3 into 6 is 18, 18 into 2 is 36, 36 into 1 is 36 simply. So write it here. And since you can see that our numbers are being multiplied even number of times, that is 4 number of times, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 times even number, so even number whenever it is being multiplied even number of times, plus sign has to be put here. So simply you can write the answer as 36. Alright, this becomes our answer. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also leave a like on this video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.